Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we will review Jarvis machine on HTB. Machine links here. This is the machine IP address. Port scan results. After that, you'll see 3 TCP ports are open. SSH port, we don't have any credentials and there is no critical vulnerability for SSH. Skip it. Focus HTTP server ports here. Firstly, visit the application. You'll see domain names. Add these domain names etc host file, then visit this host name. Both of them redirect the same website. After that, directory fuzzing results phpMyAdmin and room.php, phpMyAdmin, MySQL, login admin panel. Alternatively, scan with Nikto scan results discovered phpMyAdmin login panel, directory here. One more under phpMyAdmin changelog and readme files discovered. Control these files. You'll see phpMyAdmin version number. Visit the phpMyAdmin login panel. Try default credentials, but they don't work. I shared default credentials link here. You can try later, maybe video. Then visit all links on the application. You'll discover code parameter on the room.php file. You must test code parameter here. Secondly, visit second HTTP server, but nothing here. Simple text file, block message, and there is no view page source here. There is nothing after Nikto and GoBuster scans. Skip it. Port scan and enumeration results I shared here. Focus HTTP port. Now we are in exploitation phase. I shared alternative method and solutions on exploitation phase, gain and access phase, and privilege escalation parts. I shared code parameter. Actually, check it. It may be LFI, RFI, SQL injection vulnerability. Maybe test them. First, add single quotation code parameter value. There is no image, room image here. Then try payloads and 1 equals 1 always true and 1 equals true always false. Check page results here. 1 equals 1 always true. It shows room image. 1 equals true always false. There is no image here. Alternatively, plus sign and minus sign, you can check them, and also you can try time-based payload here. Sleep 60, it's 1 minute. I shared screenshots. I highlighted the time. 1 minute later, you'll see query executed. It means there's SQL injection vulnerability here. SQL injection, a kind of injection vulnerability. SQL injection vulnerability classified as mainly 3 categories: inbound, blind, out of bound. Inbound, error-based and union-based. Blind, Boolean-based and time-based. Third, out of bound. Also, in addition to them, stacked queries and inline queries exist. You can check them. Okay. We know there is SQL injection vulnerability. Step by step, enumerate your SQL injection vulnerability. You can check these steps. I won't explain these details step by step. I read the titles. Step 1, column enumeration. Here, order by or union select. Commands here. I shared the screenshots. Continue. Step 2, testing for visible columns here. Step by step. Pay attention, non-existing code value actually here. If you want to show values, non-existing code value you must use. Step 3, enumerating DBMS here. Enumerate DBs, list DBs, enumerate tables in specific DB. From information schema, as you see, enumerate columns in specific table. But there is nothing interesting here. Because of this, use MySQL default DB. Show tables in MySQL. I shared the command here. You'll see. Then show columns in user table. You'll see user and password column names. Then list username and password credentials with file preview. File preview is privilege. You'll see here. This user is privileged. Yes. Then you'll see password hash. You can crack using crack station or maybe John or Hashcat tools. Password is here. Exploitation second method. You can use SQL map. SQL map cracked this password hash. Pay attention. WAF there is exists here. -- random agent. You can use to bypass WAF as you see. Then crack this password hash. I miss you. You see. Okay, we are in gaining access phase. Method 1, LFI. You can use LFI vulnerability here. You can use these credentials to log in PHP-MyAdmin panel. Then you'll see again PHP-MyAdmin version number. Previously we discovered it. CV 2018-12613. Exploit is here. You can search on exploit-db using search exploit. I shared the links and POC link. Step by step I shared. You can get reverse shell here using this LFI vulnerability using run SQL here and go. You can select embed PHP code here, then trigger. You'll see basic PHP command, then trigger netget reverse shell. You'll see we got the reverse shell, alternative POC and other alternative link here. Second method, manual SQL injection. I shared the command you can use here. Okay, we can use this command to read etc pswd file, load file, but we want to transfer PHP file, out file. Use this command here. Okay, navigate to Kali machine here. Visit this actually here, run.php. You'll see wait, run.php. Then visit this run.php. cmd, sorry, id. As you see, commands executed here. We can trigger reverse shell, start netget listener. Okay, we started. Command, copy this command directly. Execute. Again. Sorry, port number. We got the shell as you see here. ls date. Who am I? You can upgrade shell here. Shell upgrade. As you see. Okay. We don't have permission to read user flag here. We need privilege escalation. Also, alternatively, you can use this command. You can transfer PHP file using wget. I shared and explained here step by step. Third method using SQL map -- file write and file dest, but there is no write permission. It fails. But yet I shared on the screenshot here. Last method you can get reverse shell, you can get yes SQL map -- os shell. Use this command, you'll get this shell. Then you can get reverse shell here on os shell command line. You got the shell here as you see. Shell upgrade part, use this command to get better shell, stable shell, interactive shell you can use. Okay, last part, first part of privilege escalation from daemon user. --data to pepper. Always run sudo-l to control sudo commands. Simpler.py, it's a Python 3 script. There is function execping. Execping, it calls from main function using -p argument. It executes os system ping plus command. This command parameter here, it is vulnerable to command injection, but pay attention, these special characters it blocks. You can try alternative special characters like $sign. For example, --l control here as you see. Then execute this command. Then $bin bash. ID, who am I? No output. Actually, there's a problem. You can overcome this problem using this command. ID, as you see, we have interactive better shell date. Alternatively, you can use virtual command to get better shell. Actually, first is starting netget listener. Okay, last part, root privilege escalation part. Here, method 1 and method 2 lists SUID bit using this command here. Also, you can use enumeration tools, linenum and other tools. Yes, as you see, it's different root pepper SUID bit. It's interesting. You can check this system CTO on GTO Phobians. You can search, you can control. Here, run this command. My choice is this. Okay, make temp echo chmod, give permission, execute permission here, then run this command without sudo. With sudo it requires password. Without sudo, who am I? Yes, root. Okay, we can get locate user.txt root.txt. Yes, we can read IPA method 2. I explained here systemctl. It's binary systemd utility. This utility is creates service and service manager. You can create new service. You can embed reverse shell command into this service, then transfer this file to the target machine, enable this service on the target machine, start netget listener and start this service. Then you'll get the reverse shell in the following, as you see here. Also, after first reboot process, this process will execute and you'll get root shell. Okay, that's all. I shared references and alternative links. Also, technical knowledge part under technical knowledge. Other technical links here. CV scripting and for more. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. See you later.